Hello everyone! Today, the abstract artist Brownie the Cat is going to paint a beautiful abstract for you. Let's help the artist by pouring some paint on his canvas and covering it with lots and lots and lots of plastic, so the artist will not go to the hospital, haha. And then, let the artist do his magic. It is time for a big reveal. Oh my god, look at this! With the permission from the artist and upon close inspection, let's do some touch-ups and voila! Here it is, ready! Here is the artist with his art, showing some other skills also. See how proud he is. I hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe to us for more art projects by Brownie.